Let's revisit the Shaheen Bagh story. Of course, the civic body is all set to carry that demolition drive at Shaheen Bagh. As you can see, the policemen have been deployed in that particular spot. We'll directly go to Alok. Alok, give us a sense of what is going on at Shaheen Bagh, where you are currently.
Right now, the Congress workers have arrived. Some BJP workers are also arrived over here. And as of now, police is over there. And also, my video journalist will show you that there is a bulldozer that is parked over here. And just in front of bulldozer, there are Congress workers and many of the residents. They are standing over here and they are not allowing bulldozer to pass on or to move from this place. So right now that you can see that some of the leaders, local leaders, that they have also arrived, and you can see the full traffic jam. This is main Kalindi Kunj Road, and this is main highway connecting Delhi and Faridabad. Means that Haryana and Delhi. This is one of the prominent locations of the national capital, and this is one of the main site where the anti-CA protest had happened. And at this place only, at this stretch only, this anti-encroachment drive is supposed to happen. And you can see over here many people, many of the residents of Shaheen Bagh, they have come out of their house and they are standing, and definitely most of them are objecting to it. And right now the bulldozer that had arrived over here, it has not been allowed to move. However, the paramilitary force, police personnel, local police, senior officers of the Delhi police, they have all arrived here, and they are just trying to convince the people so that there could be no law and order situation could take place. But some of the activists, some of the residents, as well as some of the local leaders, they all have arrived over here and they are sitting. My video journalist will pan his and zoom his camera. You can see the struggle between the local police and the people and those who are objecting the whole drive. You can see right now this is live pictures which we are showing to our viewers. There are many people and complete drama, complete kiosks at the Shaheen Bagh. And Shaheen Bagh, if you remember, just an year ago, it has become the main protest site of the anti-CA protest. And this is the main stage, and this is the main place where it was set up. The stage was set up. There you can see some action is now again going to start, and the bulldozer has thus now started moving with the help of the local police as well as the police personnel, paramilitary, 4 companies of paramilitary, they have been deployed. And what we are learning from our police sources that more police personnel may also come over here. Right now, bulldozer is moving ahead. We will just try to track down that where it is going, and we are also moving towards. But let me show you that this is the shop. I would like to show you the place over here. These are lot of shops, lot of market. This is main market of the Shaheen Bagh, and lot of shops are here. And you can see everybody has now completely shut their shop. The shopkeepers are just standing outside their shop. It was the time of opening the shop, but now this is the main market of Shaheen Bagh, and you can see that every shop is now completely. The shopkeepers, factory outlets of many of the big companies, you can see. And now nobody knows what is going to happen next, but it's completely chaotic and confused situation right now. At one side, the bulldozer is moving ahead, and we actually don't know that where the demolition will take place. But here, right now, the bulldozer is moving, and people are objecting to it. There are many people, those who are objecting this anti-encroachment drive, and here you can see that bulldozer is, and police personnel are also trying to regulate the traffic as well. You can see it's a main connecting road, as I already told you. This is one of the prominent road which is connecting Delhi and Haryana. भाई साहब, आप कहाँ से आए?
यही था
क्या कह रहे हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
कुछ नहीं, वो जो कहीं ना काम करना करेंगे, बाकी जाहिर है यहाँ कुछ ऐसा है ही नहीं।
यहाँ कुछ ऐसा नहीं है, तो आप लोग कह रहे हैं यहाँ पर कई लोग ऑब्जेक्ट कर रहे हैं, नहीं होना चाहिए, ड्राइव नहीं चलेगी।
जब है ही नहीं तो होगा कहाँ से?
क्या नहीं है यहाँ पर?
इंक्रोचमेंट है ही कहाँ पे है? कोई नहीं है।
Acha. Okay. In fact, let me tell you to our viewers that many of the encroachments that had happened earlier, after getting the news and getting information, they have already removed their whole kiosk, and they have already removed their installations. But right now, you can see these shops. The shopkeepers have shut their shops and they are standing. They are just keeping an eye on the situation, what is going to happen right now. But a complete chaotic situation because, as I already told you, few of the... Yes, my video journal will show you that some of the activists have now been detained. There you can see one female who is this resident of this particular area, and she's an activist of this particular area. She, along with other people, now they have been detained. This is the police bus which is called now. And there you can see, so now we can say, give the new update to our viewers that the detention has already started. As of now, no anti-encroachment drive has started, but as soon as the anti-encroachment drive starts, people started objecting and some of them have already been detained. So this is what is right now happening. We'll try to talk to few more people. Sir, आप यहीं रहते हैं? आप लोग ऑब्जेक्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं? अच्छा, आप बुलडोजर के साथ में हैं। तो क्या हुआ, क्या आगे बढ़ नहीं पा रहे हैं या क्या हो रहा है, ये बता दीजिए। आप कहाँ रहते हैं सर? क्या कहेंगे, क्या हो रहा है?
गलत हो रहा है, दोनों तरफ से गलत हो रहा है।
गलत हो रहा है, आप ये कह रहे हैं। सर गलत हो रहा है, लेकिन आपको लगता है कि
अगर एनक्रोचमेंट है तो जरूर आप एनक्रोचमेंट हटाइए। लेकिन यहाँ पर तो देखा जा रहा है कि जहाँ जहाँ भी बुलडोजर चल रहा है, नाजायज चल रहा है।
नाजायज चल रहा है।
यहाँ भी चलने की
आप ये कह रहे हैं सेलेक्टिव एंटी इंक्रोचमेंट ड्राइव हो रही है, सेलेक्टिव जगहों पर हो रही है।
हाँ, सेलेक्टिव जगह होनी चाहिए।
Selective. So this is right the view of most of the people are, and that is the view of the opposition parties also. Let me try to go some other location as well and show you what is going on. Let me again tell you that this is the main place where the anti-CA protest had happened, and now it's again become the similar kind of situation here, that where the many people are objecting to it, and but the bulldozers are here and the drive is on. Back to you.
For bringing those details, so which means even before the drive has begun, people are being detained. So who are these people who've been detained? And also, Alok, are there anybody from any of the political parties who are there, say from Congress or any other political party, who's there to sort of oppose this drive or to make a statement?
Well, no senior leader, what we are learning, we have not found any of the senior leaders of any of the political parties have arrived, but local residents, local activists, they are all here. And many of them, those who are local activists and local leaders, they are objecting to it. And there you can see a lot of people are there.
आंदोलन चल रहा था, उस रोड को हम तहस-नहस करना है। अभी आरपा को डिटेन कर ले, हम सबको भी डिटेन होना।
Let me try to talk to her because one of the person is detained.
संवैधानिक जो ड्राइव है वो शाहीन बाग में बर्दाश्त नहीं।
सर बताइए,
अभी आरपा है और उसके साथ उसकी सिस्टर है, अभी सिर्फ 2 ही लोगों को।
सर ये जो डिटेंशन, सर ये जो डिटेंशन
के पैर में फ्रैक्चर है, तो ज्यादा प्रताड़ना की जा सकती है, इसीलिए सबसे पहले वो आरफा को लेकर के गए।
सर ये अरफा कौन है, हमारे व्यूवर्स के लिए बता दीजिए।
देखिए, आरफा खानम पेशे से एडवोकेट हैं और लोकल कांग्रेस लीडर हैं।
अच्छा, अरफा खानम
जी, आरफा खानम सबसे पहले उनको डिटेन करके ले जाया गया है, क्योंकि पुलिस को बहुत अच्छे से मालूम है उनके पैर में फ्रैक्चर है और ये पूरी ड्राइव इलीगल है। तो जुल्म जितना ज्यादा किया जाए, हाईलाइट मीडिया उतना ज्यादा करेगा, उतना मैसेज अच्छा पहुंचेगा कि शाहीन बाग पे जुल्म हुआ है, क्योंकि पूरी इलीगल ड्राइव सिर्फ इस मकसद से चलाई जा रही है कि आज शाहीन बाग अबुल फजल पे जुल्म करने का काम किया जा रहा है। पुलिस की गुंडाई के अंदर ये जुल्म हो रहा है, इसीलिए सबसे पहले इन्होंने जिसके पैर में फ्रैक्चर था आरफा खानम के, उसको ले जाने का काम किया है, ताकि ये जुल्म की तस्वीर और गहराई से दिखाई जा सके।
कहा जाता है कि इस पूरे स्ट्रेच पे और आगे भी स्ट्रेच पे कई जगह इलीगल दुकानें लगी हैं, और मेरा आपसे सवाल ये है कि क्या सरकार के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को तब नहीं दिखाई दिया जब इलीगल दुकानें लगी?
मेरी बात सुनिए, एक भी इलीगल ठेला, रिक्शा, दुकान बिना एमसीडी के और पुलिस वालों के पैसे दिए नहीं चलता है। आज भी शाहीन बाग अबुल फजल में बिना एमसीडी को और एसएचओ को पैसे दिए कोई लिंटर नहीं डलता है। दिल्ली में 1900 अवैध कॉलोनियां हैं, क्या दम है कि 1900 अवैध कॉलोनियों में बुलडोजर चलेगा? नहीं चला पाएंगे, इनका घर नहीं चलेगा। इन अधिकारियों की जो लग्जरीज हैं वो इनकी तनख्वाहों से नहीं चल रही हैं, वो लिंटर के पैसों से चल रही हैं, वो इन रेड़ी पटरी वालों से जो उगाई करते हैं उनसे चल रही है। इनके बच्चे विदेश में पढ़ रहे हैं, वो इन रेड़ी पटरी वालों की उगाई के पैसे से पढ़ रहे हैं। ये कभी नहीं खत्म कर पाएंगे।
तो आप ये कह रहे हैं करप्शन पूरी तरह से है, और अभी जो है ये सेलेक्टिव ड्राइव हो रही है, ये हम
बिल्कुल सेलेक्टिव ड्राइव हो रही है। आप पहले सस्पेंड करिए ना उन लोगों को जिन्होंने ये सब कराया इंतजाम,
जिन्होंने पैसा देकर के बनवा
आप
दिया।
अधिकारियों को सस्पेंड कर दीजिए। मैं हथौड़ा लेके शाहीन बाग के लोगों की तरफ से कह रहा हूँ, पूरा शाहीन बाग तोड़ देंगे।
So this is one of the person who is telling us that one Arfa Khanum, who is one of the activist lawyer, she is detained, and among with her there are few more of her supporters. They have now been detained. She is also a local Congress leader. So we can say right now the Congress leader, local Congress leader, she is detained, and the drama and action is still continue here from Shaheen Bagh. Back to you.